If you are a case manager, occupational therapist or healthcare professional who finds themselves involved in conversations about vehicles for your clients, then I have got some very interesting news for you. We are very excited to announce the launch of our seminar series, which is going out to you across the UK, bringing you high quality CPD accredited content all around vehicles for disabled drivers and passengers. The content of the workshop is created as a direct result of the communication I have had with healthcare professionals. We look at the journey around getting a vehicle, whether that's accessible, a wheelchair accessible vehicle or a shared transport vehicle, something with adaptations or something with provisions for people with challenging behaviour. So how can you expect the day to go? Well, after you arrive and you get settled in, we're going to look at the base vehicle, the routes to get in the vehicle, whether that's through self-funding, whether that's using the solicitors, whether that's Motability, or whether that's a medium-term hire. We talk about how that works and how that might give a bit of difference to each scenario. We look at the different groupings of adaptations and how that might work for you, and then we look at the different sizes and the different types of wheelchair accessible vehicle. Once you've done that, we're going to bring you outside and do a hands-on demonstration. So you're actually going to experience doing an assessment for yourself. Now, one of the parts of this is a bit of a sensory deprivation experience where we try to get you to understand some of the experiences your client might have whenever they're coming in and out of a vehicle, or indeed whenever they're traveling in a vehicle. After a nice lunch, we're going to talk about vehicles being used in the workplace and the consequences of that. Risk assessment is very, very important. A risk assessment could become your best friend. We also look at then provisions for people who have challenging behaviours, all the different conflicting things about restraint and what you need to do, and the goal setting that you will want to have going through that journey. We will take you on that process. And then the fourth part of it is report writing. It's bringing everything together. It's taking it from the very, very start, from simple things like measurements and weights and understanding the different consequences in the different products whenever you're taking a wheelchair accessible vehicle in, or whenever somebody is ambulant and what they're walking into, and all the different things that you will need to take into consideration to make sure that you're providing a professional level report that will then support a specification setting or support information going back to whether it's the courts or whether it's to the care provider. So how does that sound? This is a workshop, a hands-on interactive workshop packed full of the best content available across the whole of the UK. There is not a course that gives more, better, clearer information than this. So if you want to just continue to learn as part of your career, or if you want to develop into a specialism, this is the course for you. So what's your next step? If you're interested, and why wouldn't you be, give us an email. So case managers and occupational therapists, so it's cm-ot@mobility-services.com. You drop us an email and we will get back to you with more information, and indeed we'll also give you an early bird offer. That's 30% off the course. A full day course with refreshments and CPD certificates for the accreditation for attending and achieving your learning objectives. Thank you very much for listening, and I really, really do hope to see you in the future. Please share this around your own colleagues and peers, because we really do want to make sure that this information makes its way out across the community. Thank you very much.